Alright guys, for anybody that follows me, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I do not take the time to edit anything. I just go live. I don't prepare anything usually. But I've been asked by a few people to do a better video or make a plan for drill press dust collection that I kind of came up with. I took a few different ideas that I found. Peachtree Woodworking has a setup where they just use a clamp around the base of the drill press here, and it has a little plastic cutout that you put different adapters on. I took that as a start and had some 2x4s laying around, so I glued 3 of them up, and I planed it down nice and square. I used Forstner bits to cut out the holes to the widest that I could get. I think that was like 2 1/4 inches, I believe, is my largest Forstner bit. Then I drilled a hole through here, used the bandsaw to make a little slot, that way it can compress. I used a standard 5/16 inch bolt, some washers, and a little thing here from Rockler. I've got a bunch of these laying around. Let me move this out of the way so you can get a better grasp of what this looks like. So I got a Harbor Freight blast gate here with the Harbor Freight dust hose going to it. I got a 4 inch to 2.5 inch coupler that fits right into the back of this right here. I'm not sure if you can see up in there, but it fits pretty snugly. I can also use my shop vac to go right to the back if I don't want to use my dust collector. Let's see here. I've got this attachment here that I just kind of made myself. I just took a portion of one of these pipes from the shop vac, sanded down to where it was smooth and where it would fit in the 2.5 inch hole there. That I should backtrack actually. I've got 2 steps here. I sanded this to 2.5 inches, and on the inside I think it's 2 1/4, so I can fit different fittings in there and not have to change everything around. So I got this, and I can aim it to the drill press. I can add this to it, and whatever I'm drilling, I'll get this mine defined part of it. Let's see here. And this by far is the best part of this. I seen an idea. I don't remember the guy's name, but he had a really nice setup too. Kind of used the same principle. I should have got a bigger one of these. This is a 3x3x2, and I just used the miter saw to trim it down both sides. Velcro, of course, to hold on this JFG natural peanut butter jar that I cut out. I used 2.5 inch splices here. I got 2 of them. I think this is 1 3/4 or 1.5 inch 90-degree elbow PVC, and I just, to make it tighter, I just used some of the foil tape, Nashua, I think is how you pronounce that. And then this, I honestly don't even know where this came from, but I got it in there snug. I'm not going to take it apart, but it fits in that second step in there pretty snugly. And this is great for Forstner bits. So it pretty much collects, at least 95% of the dust. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a patent pending as of now, and hopefully I'll have some more things coming out for you soon. Thanks for watching, and God bless.